Hi educators, let's talk puppets and puppet stages. Could be very different. They could be finger puppets like this felted puppet mushroom. They could be hand puppets like this one. So that's a Papoose Red Riding Hood puppet that I bought secondhand, and it's amazing. So they might be just typical animal puppets that you all know, or human puppets with movable mouth. As for stages, there are many ways to create a stage for puppets. For small felt puppets like this mushroom, so you can actually create very simple stage using your hand. Cover yourself with silk scarves or fabric like this one, and then use some felted mats and present your story like this. For babies and toddlers, small group experiences, this is fantastic. You can also do it tabletop style presentation, which I like. Making this mat is very easy. It might take you probably 1 hour, and you probably will have to practice few times to learn. You also can create different colored mats. This will allow you different stories to unfold. So this is my magical story mat for fairies and gnomes and butterflies, spring. I also have created a mat. So I bought the mat as a base, but this obviously, as you can see, is oceans, volcanoes. I added this stuff on top through needle felting, and that's how I created amazing stage. So you can use it this way, right? Or you can put it on the table, and this would become your invitation to play and invitation to use puppet. The other one that you can consider is ordering really professionally felted mat. So that's for elaborate scenarios with dragons and knights and yeah, pretty much dragons, hobbits, and that's really expensive, about 150. I bought it from Germany through Etsy. And if you want to invest in your storytelling, you can. Otherwise, you can spend some time learning how to felt this kind of mat. Steiner Waldorf style storytelling, you can find them as felt mats for storytelling. My favorite one that turns your teaching into an instant stage is this wonderful storytelling apron. Here we go. With this apron, I have a space to hide my puppets. Yeah, let's say I have puppets. So let's put this one in here. And I have old lady puppet. I put it in my pocket. I have another one, old man. I can put him also in my pockets. And this creates this sense of puppets popping out of my secret spots, especially wonderful for babies. And then you can play your show, puppet show here. You also can use this apron to tie it and use it as a felt stage for stories like Dear Zoo and other stories. So you can actually find them and Google my video. I can leave a link in the description below. The other one is instant puppet stage. It's a Papoose set. As you can see that this is a Red Riding Hood, and she has puppets stored here. So we have a big gray wolf. We have an old lady. We have, I think, few more puppets can fit in here. We have a lumberjack. We have space, as I said, at the back of this puppet here. So you can put more puppets at the back. That's how beautiful this puppet set is. So that's an instant puppet show, one of my favorite as well. If you know any other ways to create instant puppet stage, please share your comments under this video.